Welcome back to the Bearded Sharpener. For those that saw the last video on the microscope, I promised I was going to take this unsharpened knife and go through the process, and after each stone I was going to use the microscope so everyone could see the difference. Now we're fixing to do that. Okay, for those that noticed when I put the picture up, it looked like there was a mark on this blade. Actually, it was some adhesive. I'll show everyone how to clean that off. Just take a little alcohol wipe. We're going to clean it up. Then I'm going to take everyone through the process. This is a soft Arkansas stone. This is a hard Arkansas stone. And this is a black Arkansas stone. And when I'm finished, we're going to put it on this nice strop from Knafs Plus. So we'll set these to the side for right now. Put some oil on this. And if everyone remembers from previous videos how to set your bevel, just lay it on the stone and you will feel it. Gonna make a few passes till we get a burr, then we'll go to the other side. And I believe we're getting there, so we're going to turn it on the other side now. Go all the way to the end, don't run off the stone, try to keep it even all the way down. A lot of time you can tell just by the sound of it when it's going across the stone. It'll get quieter. I think just a few more passes, I'll have this where I want, and then we'll show everyone what this looks like. And we'll drop down to a few strokes till we get down to one stroke on each side. And we'll break away just a moment, put this under a microscope, we'll move to the next stone.